Hello everyone! In this video, you will see how to make an easy 5-star rating chart that changes color without Visual Basic for applications. Let me add the round between function to generate random numbers, and the colors change. In a short, I showed you how to make an infographic with just one score. Let's see how to make the full chart. My data range shows several scores, with the maximal score being 100. Let's change this data range to a table by clicking in it and pressing Ctrl and T together. Change the design. I will need 3 additional columns for the colors, so that for each score only one column displays a value, and a 4th column for the background. For the copper rating, the score should be shown only if it is less than 60% of the maximal score. For the silver rating, the score should be shown if it is more than or equal to 60% of the maximal score and less than 80%. And for the gold rating, the score should be shown if it is more than or equal to 80% of the maximal score. So if this condition is met, then the score should be shown, else nothing. And the background should always be equal to the maximal score. Let's add a chart and add the columns as series. I will need 4 series for the background and for the copper, silver, and gold ratings. For the series, I will specify the series name, the values, and the categories as axis labels. Let me speed up adding other series. Let's change the chart type to clustered bar. And fix the bounds of the value axis from 0 to maximum score. I'll also need a star shape. Add the shape, format it, copy the shape, select the background series, and paste it right on top. In the Format Data Series pane, under Fill, instead of Stretch, select Stack and Scale Width, and specify 20 units per picture, because we need 5 stars and the maximum score is 100. Repeat the process for other series. For copper, I will choose light orange, and no outline. The silver rating will have gray stars, and a golden star for the last series. In the Format Data Series pane, set series overlap to 100% and the gap width to 0. Adjust the chart size and set the categories in reverse order. And the chart is done. To prove that the chart is indeed dynamic, let's add one more score. And the coloring is correct. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more contents like this.